Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another breaking down yoga pose, and we are going to focus on upward facing dog. Now usually it is used as a transition commonly in a vinyasa class, and then oftentimes what I see in students is that when they come into up dog, either they just flow through it very quickly or they might skip it all together. So making sure that our back feels long, we're using our core muscles to support the back, and I hope this is helpful for you. So we'll get into upward facing dog already. So from tabletop, come down to the belly. Okay. Now before we come up, okay, so see first how your lower back here feels. Okay, maybe for some, you bring your feet hip width apart, and then see how this feels when you come up slightly higher, and then lower back down. Okay, if it does not feel as comfortable for the lower back, know that you can always adjust your feet. Okay, maybe consider or explore bringing the feet a little bit wider. Okay, then hips width apart. And then from here, you want to even let the pinky toes press down. So there's effort there. Okay. And then when you lift your kneecaps up, quads will engage. Okay, belly button will draw that in to support the back muscles. And then hands, okay, generally by the side ribs, roll the shoulders up and back. And then when you're ready, we'll start to press up to upward facing dog. Now, once you're here, okay, so you're still hugging the belly in, quads are still engaged, okay, so you also want to press down on the fingertips, and then notice if shoulders are rolling forward. So what we want here is for the chest to press forward, okay, supported by our core muscles. Okay, one more breath. And then from here, we'll just go ahead and then lower back down. Okay, and then we'll do that again. Okay, so pressing down through the toes. Again, you also want the quads engaged, so kneecaps will lift up. Pressing down on the palms, shoulders will roll back. Okay, so imagine as if you're squeezing a ball between the elbows. And then from here, we'll go ahead and then press up again. Now, as you draw your chest forward, now in some expressions, people will tend to look up as well. If that's comfortable for you, go ahead, okay, as long as you're still able to breathe in and out. Okay, one more breath here. And then from here, you can go ahead, curl the toes, and then push it back to downward facing dog, or we'll just come back down again. So I hope that was helpful for you. Know that you can always make tiny adjustments in your body when you are holding that shape. So make sure to check out the other breaking down yoga poses videos. I have that all in a playlist. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.